Hey folks, we're out in the plant today and we're talking about padding. And what do we mean? Padding, simple scratch pads, things that you see every day in the office, tear them off one at a time. And you would think, well, not everything we do is used with high-tech devices. It's very simple, very basic way we do this. We take these pads, we stack them up in this rack. Once we get them up there, we weight them down. We have some padding compound, paintbrush, okay? Paint the edges, simple like you would paint the wall in a house. Let it dry. Once it dries up, we cut them apart, forming the pad. Simple, easy, efficient, things that we do every day at Steele Printing and Design, more than a printing company.